Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back with this popular DT number 1 smartwatch, the KK Tang T5. And on this video, we are going to explore, we will show you the steps on how to download an offline map to the Tang T5. The Tang T5 is one of the few affordable outdoor-style smartwatch with built-in GPS that has a feature for downloading maps or having an offline map when you are working out. So, meaning you can track your trajectory or your location with its offline map even though you are not connected with your smartphone. So, if you want to see the demo or you want to see the map as well as the tutorial on how to download the map on your smartwatch, watch this video. And again, if you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe. So before we show you the steps on how to download the map, I'm going to show you first the map that we already downloaded for our smartwatch. Okay, let's adjust the brightness here so we can see clearly. Okay, we use this transfer cable. So the Tang T5 will have its own transfer cable. You can download it. You can download the map from a website on your laptop or PC and transfer it to the smartwatch. Just set the smartwatch as storage. So this one, it serves as a charging cable as well as a transfer cable. Here, if you want to explore the map, just go to the offline map section. So we have here an offline map. So it will show the map that you have downloaded. So we downloaded I downloaded the Philippine map, and this is the map. Okay, as you can see here, we have an option to check. We have the landform. You can see the river here. This is my location. We have the roads here. You can zoom in, shrink to limit 1 kilometer, or you can zoom in or zoom out. This is my location. Okay, this is the road. We have another road here. If you're going to zoom out, you can see the entire highway here. Okay, we also have here the river. So it is a very useful tool or feature if you are working out. Okay, you have the tracks here if you want to record. You have the map type, landform, contour map. This is the contour map, or you can have the blending mode. Let's see with the contour map. Then we have the record. So you can work out, you can track your record, you can have a map trajectory of your outdoor workout. Okay, we have the duration here, exercise duration, and you have the sport track. Okay, so very useful if you are working out, such as cycling, running, or just walking on your neighborhood. So as you can see here, we have a GPS positioning system. So it can track your location precisely with its GPS system. If you're wondering why we can store a map in our smartwatch, the wearable do have a 4 GB of memory. It has a website where you can download the app, extract it, and transfer it in your smartwatch using our transfer cable here. I will show you the steps, a video on how to download the map for your wearable. Open the website for downloading the map. We have the links in the description. Select the map for your region. We will try the Vietnam here, but we already have downloaded the Philippines for our smartwatch. So download the map. For some map, it may take a while. For example, United States, very big map. It will consume a lot of space and it will take time to download. So Vietnam here, it is just a small map, so the downloading is fast. Then we have here the compressed file. Extract it so we can copy the folder on our smartwatch. Please take note that the smartwatch is set as storage mode when you connect it with your laptop or PC via USB port. As you can see here, we are extracting the file. We still have another one, so let's extract it also. Open. Make it sure that you have, or you put it, or you extract it in a easy to find folder or location. Then okay. So after extracting the file, copy the two folders. We have at least two folders here. Copy it and send it to your smartwatch. There's an existing map folder in this smartwatch. Just copy it there. You don't need to do anything. It will automatically read by your smartwatch when you open the offline map feature in the smartwatch. It will select the right map for you depending on your location. As you can see here, we do have the different files for the map. So very easy to copy, and there's a lot of files or map available for your smartwatch. Again, if you have any questions regarding the demo, drop a comment below. And of course, check out the links for the smartwatch in the description. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye.